Do you find writing copies for medical marketing is pain in the butt? For example, blogs, writing promotional emails, writing social media posts, and you always have difficulty come up with topics and descriptions for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube description. I'm one of those. I hate come up with topics and writing descriptions. Obviously, English is not my first language. My first language is Korean. So, for me, writing in English is always difficult. But now I want to show you this ChatGPT. It's based on artificial intelligence for languages and texts. And then it's just amazing. I was blown away and I couldn't just keep it to myself because I started using ChatGPT for medical marketing. And I'm going to actually show you a quick tutorial how you can register for ChatGPT for free. It doesn't cost you a dime. It's free. The intelligence level is amazing. And I'll show you how to register. And then I'll also demonstrate what you can do for your medical marketing. And let's get to it.
Welcome to the Podiatry Profits Podcast, where you will discover how to get more patients and multiply the profits of your practice with minimally invasive foot surgery, proven marketing systems, and ethical influencing to your patients. And now, your host, board-certified podiatrist, best-selling author, speaker, and founder of TJ On Coaching and Consulting, Dr. TJ On.
Okay, let's get to it. Here's how you can register and open your own account for ChatGPT. So let's see ChatGPT. OpenAI.com. So you'll see ChatGPT, and then next up here, introducing ChatGPT try. Here it says try. So you click that. Okay, and then you'll see a simple prompt. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in or open sign up. Click that one. Put your email address. And then I'm not a robot. All this thing. Continue. And then it'll ask you the password. So you have to find your password on your email and then type it in. Once you log on to ChatGPT, this is the first screen you see. Gives you some ideas here, capability, what it does. It remembers what you said in the earlier conversation. It allows user to provide follow corrections, and then it kind of gets trained as you play with it. It does say some limitations here. If you want to know a little more detail, you can click here, update and FAQ, frequently asked questions. Then it'll show you the ChatGPT FAQ. So click that, and then it kind of tells you common questions about ChatGPT. Free, but use your own precaution, right? Because if you're using this platform for your medical marketing, just make sure words it generates, sentences it generates, it's proper for your practice, right? You want to protect yourself. So kind of here's some detail answers for those questions. I'll go back. Okay. So what can you do with ChatGPT? You can write a blog for your website, right? Your website, and you can put that blog link on your social media so you can redirect back to your website, which has that blog that will increase your SEO. So how do you do this? Let's try this. Provide, maybe we'll do 5 blogs, just for the example, demonstration sake. Topics, topic titles, 4 articles about, let's say, heel pain, and enter. You see how it generates the answers, what you requested. 5 common causes of heel pain and how to treat them. The benefits of stretching for, see, it's awesome. You can rewrite, click rewrite, and then it'll create another one. This is amazing, what you can do with it. Now, let's say if you like this number 1, right? So then you can say, even outline it. So you can do provide the outline of an article, title number 1 above. There we go. It creates outlines for you. Of course, you can adjust and change, right? So imagine the possibility. You can ask ChatGPT to create titles or provide you any possible blog titles for bunion surgery, hammer toe surgery, words, custom-made orthotics, ingrown toenails. Now, you don't have to come up with titles, outlines, blogs. I mean, this will immediately get rid of your writer's block. Okay, so it's just like less than a minute, it generates outlines for you. And if you like it, you can say, write a blog article above. Let's see what it does. It says, sure, here's an article based on the outline I provided earlier. So this is actually writing a blog article. While it's writing, I want you to kind of like immerse yourself in the possibility of medical marketing utilizing AI technology. And imagine once it's done, you can copy and paste to your favorite word processor like Google Doc or Word, and then send them to your website designer, and then ask him or her to post your blog on your website, and then have that person post that quick post about that blog article on your social media, such as like Facebook, Instagram, and they can click it to go back to your blog article. And your website designer, if they have this script, they can put, like pictures, right? Like images and photos and videos, like in between, related to this. You will going to have a beautiful blog written by AI, ChatGPT. Here I demonstrated the blog article. Number 2, what about YouTube? I am big proponent of YouTube channel for your long form content to educate your patients and increase your authority. So all of the clients I work with in our mastermind, I help them and coach them, guide them how to build your authority with YouTube channel and social media. So a lot of doctors I know hate, talking on the camera, right? And then come up with the topics, like what do you say, what kind of topic, and things like that, right? So I'll show you here how to utilize ChatGPT AI to create a video, the YouTube video. Let's do provide me 10 possible, maybe like 10 best YouTube titles, YouTube video titles for, in our case, podiatry, right? But if you're other specialist, you can talk about your specialty there. So I will just call it podiatrist or podiatry. You see how powerful it is? Isn't it wonderful? You can always say rewrite, but let me try provide me 10 best YouTube titles for bunion surgery by podiatrist. Oh, I love this. Benefits of minimally invasive bunion surgery. I love that because I provide minimally invasive bunion surgery. Okay, I like number 3 here. So what I can do, you will be blown away. Write me a video script based on number 3 above. It's fast. So look, it's actually giving you intro right now. And then it kind of moves to a main body. So this is actually spoken English. So you can, if you like it, you can again copy and paste to your word processor. And then you can adjust it to possibly change it to your tone of voice. And then you can just record it, right? This is your script right here. After you create a video, you want to download that video, or if you have transcript, let's say this is transcript, right? In this case. So then what you can do, if this is your video script, another way you can download your video, transcribe it with different transcription platform such as otter.ai, Descript.com, Rev.com. It's very cheap, like they're very cheap paid platform, but you can actually upload those video and then it will transcribe quite accurately for you. So if you have a transcript, you can copy and paste here, right? And then you can ask ChatGPT to create a YouTube description. Description is basically when you watch video, there's a description below, right? So when you create a YouTube channel, you have to write YouTube video description. But sometimes it's a pain in the butt. Like how can, you have to just come up with a good summary of what your video is about. So instead of you trying to do it, ask ChatGPT to do it. So here we go. Write a YouTube video description for the video script above. So notice it's slightly different from this actual script. So this is more like a description for the written format of the video in YouTube. Isn't it wonderful? And number 3, other social media platforms such as Instagram, right? So let's write an Instagram post for, let's say, minimally invasive hammer toe surgery. Wow, look at this. It generates tags as well. So imagine if you have, for example, I'll give you an idea, before and after pictures of the hammer toe of your patients you have performed. So you can use that as an image post in the Instagram. And then for the description, you can put this. You can even call it, like, watch this, rewrite above with emojis. So it's more modern and more fit. Look at these emojis coming. Wow, this is amazing. Notice the hammer toe, it gives you hammer emoji and toe emoji. So I don't like that. Let me see. Rewrite above without the hammer emoji above. Good. I like this better. I don't want to do too many emojis. So this looks just about right for me. So imagine when you're creating Instagram post, you have pictures. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to create a post, and even with emojis and tags, and then copy and paste in your Instagram and done. So you don't have to come up with all this writing, struggles. And then if you do Instagram Reel, upload the video, and then, same thing though, you can do this. You can download your Reel video and transcribe it. And then if you have a transcript, right, you can copy and paste to ChatGPT and ask it to write a description for that video for your social media. So I have actually transcript about free initial consultation voucher. So I'll copy, and then I'm going to come up here in ChatGPT, and then watch this. So I'm gonna say, write an Instagram post with emojis in, let's say, 500 words about the video script below. Okay, so I'm just to copy and paste. So here's my script. Hey Chicagoland, right? Giving away free initial consultation, etc., etc. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a post, Instagram post with emojis less than 500 words for this video script I just copied. Wow, check it out with emoji. See, I'm not touching the keyboard. ChatGPT is writing everything by itself. Very conversational manner. Wow, this is really, really cool. Gives you tags as well. So you see the power of it, what it can do for your medical marketing. Next, how to write email newsletter. So you have existing patients, and if you want to reactivate your existing patients, let's say they haven't come to your clinic for more than a year. So you can segment all of your existing patients who haven't been to your office for 1 year. I know most billing software or EMR software or scheduling software has capability to query this type of segmentation. So let's say you have 200 patients who haven't come to your clinic for more than a year, and you want to send them an email. So things like that, you can use ChatGPT to write an email. Or let's say you have a seasonal promotion going on, like back to school custom orthotics, or back to school wart removal, like treatments for warts, and then you want to send some sort of promotional email newsletter. So let's try this. Provide some email topics of foot and ankle care from podiatry clinic. So it'll give you some ideas. Here are some potential email topics for podiatry clinic. Introducing our newest podiatrist. Meet Dr. So-and-so. This is amazing. 5 tips for healthy feet. So this really email is to nurture your patients, right? Your existing patients, and nurture them, educate them, so you're always on top of their mind. And this could be a beautiful topic for your email newsletter. So let me try both. Write an email for my existing patients on the topic number 1 above. Wow, this is great. So you can send this to your email list. Isn't it cool? So you can copy and paste and just change those, your name and clinic name. Let's try another one. Ingrown toenail, number 7, I like that. So write an email for my existing patients on the topic number 7. See, it knows ingrown toenail. So imagine if you can kind of splice with some pictures of ingrown toenail, maybe before and after, then it will be a beautiful email newsletter. You provide them some value, helpful information, how to avoid, how to prevent or treat conservatively if you have ingrown toenail. And then if it's severe or not responding, you see, and then it is important to see medical attention. At our clinic, we can provide treatment. It's amazing. Isn't it nice? I hope you see the possibilities of abundant potential for medical marketing utilizing ChatGPT.
You've been listening to the Podiatry Profits Podcast with Dr. TJ An. To find out more about Dr. TJ An or discover how you can grow your podiatry practice, visit drtjan.com. Or you can also get a free copy of Dr. An's best-selling book, Opt Out: How to Take Back Financial Control of Your Private Clinical Practice Without the Hassle of Insurance Companies. Just go to optoutbook.com.